Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see the tutorial of RMA, that is Return Merchandise Authorization, Customer RMA. So let's get started. RMA has a few configurations which we will see and understand first, and then we will see its practical implementation. There are certain features which we'll understand. So here when we download the application from the Odoo App Store, you will see RMA Management in your Odoo dashboard. We will see this is the customer portal. So whenever you place any order for any of the application or for any of the products from the Odoo stores or Odoo website, you will see your orders will be placed over here, and here will be your return orders. So it will be seen over here. Whenever the return order is created and submitted, it will be seen over here. This tab will also show you the status of your current RMA that is created. So if your RMA ticket is submitted, it will show the status as same. If it is rejected or approved, it will show as the same. So this was about the website level configuration. Now we will go to our backend and open the application, that is RMA Management. So as we open this application, we will go to the configuration and go to the RMA reasons. So there are reasons which are predefined, and it is also predefined as per the practical view that we have got from the customer so far, and all of the things are covered in inside the same. So there are a few actions that we will understand, that how the same will work and the RMA reason for the same. First of all, first action is do not need ordered wrong color, size or quantity. So in this particular action, the main problem is from the side of the customers. So they have ordered something from your website, but now they do not need it, or they have ordered the wrong size, color or quantity of the particular product. So this action is for the same. Next is delay in delivery. So if the product is delayed for the delivery, in this case, the customer will of course return your product because it is delayed in the delivery, and you can also refund them in the same category. Next is wrong quantity or size or color received. So here also the complaint is coming from the customer towards the company. So in this case, we will either replace the wrong product that is received by them, either size or color, and also we will refund them if they require. So next is item missing. So if the item is missing of particular product, we can refund the customer. There is no return for the same action. Next is damaged or defective items. So any of the items that are sent to customers which are damaged or defective, in this case we will offer them some replacement if required, or we will get the item returned or do the refund of the same. Next is received excess quantity. So this is the case where customers have received, suppose they've ordered two products but they've received three products, so they will choose this action and we will only take the return of the same. Next is ship to wrong address, lost or others. So for this, no action is taken. So these are the predefined actions which we have configured in RMA application, and it is configured as per the practical view of the company. Next is the restocking fee. So restocking fee we have added over here. You can also select it or change it as per your requirements. So I will explain you how restocking fee works in further practical application, which will help you understand this feature more. So next we will go for the RMA mail configuration. So there are three types of configuration that we have made, that is RMA submitted, approved and rejected. So whenever your RMA ticket is submitted, the submitted mail will be sent to the particular customer from the system. For approval, they will be sent this one, and for the rejection, this one. You can change the email template if required. So there are few email templates in your Odoo that are already made before. You can select any one of them from the drop down menu in case if it is required. Next is your RMA product type. So we can configure different types of product for RMA and give the description of the same. Here you can add new product as well, as you can see it over here. So these are the configuration steps. We have four types of configuration that we have seen right now and explained you. Now we will see how practically the process takes place. For that we will navigate over here, and I'll show you how order will be placed over here and the return order will be created. So currently we'll go back and create a sales order. So let's go to our sales module. Here we will create order. So let's add the customer. After adding the customer details, we will add some products over here. So we have added one product and add some quantities of the same, and we will mention the unit price. Let's add one more product. and after that we will confirm the sales order. The delivery order gets created. We will confirm the quantities as delivered. So quantities are now delivered. Let's validate it. On validating, the order is confirmed now, as you can see it over here. So the quantity is now delivered. Only for the delivered quantities, the return can be possible. So now let's go to the website level. Here we will see your order is confirmed and placed. So this is the order that we just placed, that is 𝗪𝗛𝗔𝗧'𝗦. Now we will go to the return orders. Here we will see the return orders. So first of all, let's open the order. And here we have got the option to return our product. So suppose I have ordered two of the products from the particular company, and now I want to create a return. So let's create a return. So let's click over here. Here is the customer address. So here is the customer address that you can see right now. So in case if you want to do the return order from any new address, so say suppose we are adding a new address over here. Say suppose I'm adding my name and adding a new address. I'm adding some dummy details that we have right now. So we've added the address. So from the new address, the return will be processed, and the same new address will be updated in the backend that I'll show you after we create this return. Next is reason for all the lines. So say suppose there are reasons that we have configured, as I show you in the configuration, there are different reasons and we have configured them all over here in the drop down menu. Now say suppose we have two products and we want the same reason for both of the products. So we will go to the apply all. So let's select the quantities first. Say suppose I want to select three quantities over here and two quantities over here, and let's go to apply all. So the same reason will be applied for both of them. This is mainly in use if we have more of the products to return and more quantities to manage. So this is a possibility when there are more products in your cart and you want to return them. So say suppose I want different reasons for both of them. So for the first acoustic block screen, I want a wrong quantity is to be the reason. So for this one we have received some wrong quantities, and for wrong quantities I want the replacement as well. So if you want the replacement, yes, you can click over here and here add some remarks. I can add send black color. So this is the remark that will be sent. Next is for the cabinet with door. I will say that the there is damage or defective item. So in damage or defective item, you will get the replacement. For the item missing, you will get the replacement, and for wrong quantity, you can get the replacement. So if there is delay in delivery, there is no replacement option that we have given. For this, I am selecting delay in delivery, so we can see both the cases in one return order that we just created. Next is the return policy. So there is a return policy that we can configure by ourselves. So here I'll show you the same. So let's go to this tab, go to settings and companies, and here is the return policy. As you can see, the return policy we have mentioned over here, and the same will be updated over there as well. So let's again switch back over here, and here is the written policy. When we agree to the same, we will be processed ahead. So we have added a new address for the return over here, and here we have added two different reasons for two of the products that we want to return. So for this one, three quantities and I want to replace it, and for this one, two quantities and it is a delayed in delivery. So let's confirm the return. So return is successfully submitted. Now we will go over the return orders. In the return orders, as you can see, this is what we just created, and here is the submitted status, as you can see, for 𝗪𝗛𝗔𝗧'𝗦. Now we will, this is the RMA that we just created. So this is the new delivery address that is populated over here, as I told you before. So say suppose I have added new address, so that will be new delivery address will be seen over here in any of the cases. But if it is the same delivery address as before, it will be not populated over here, it will be over here only. Now next step is, first is the delay in delivery product, that is two products that I wanted that it is delayed in delivery, so I will want a refund of the same. And next is wrong product received. So for this I have three quantities that I want a replacement of, so it is already added over here downstairs. As you can see, the quantity is 3 and it is in the replacement. We have also sent the reason of sending black color. So this is done over here. Now let's approve it. So in this case, we will just approve it. So when we approve it, we will see one credit note is created. Credit note is created for this of particular product, that is cabinet with door. and as you can see, the credit note is created. Now let's go back, which is incoming pickings. So incoming pickings will be created for both of the products. First is the wrong product that we just delivered, which will be inverted by us, and next is a cabinet with door because it delayed in delivery, and we will return the product over here. Now next is replacement order. So for the replacement order, new sale order will be created just like this. So this is the first case that we just understood. Now if it is approved, approved status is updated over here, and the same will be updated over here as well. Let's refresh it. As you can see, the approved status is created over here as well. So this is the first case that we just saw. Now we will see another case where we will understand what is threshold over here and what is the restocking fee and the shipping charge implementation, as we saw that in over here in the configuration. So this is the first thing. Now we will go and create one more RMA and we will see how the process takes place. So let's go back over here and create one more RMA. So for this particular order, we are creating RMA for, say suppose, 5 quantities for this product and 2 quantities for this product. So for 5 quantities, I will say a damaged or defective item is received, and I want the replacement of the same, like send correct product please. For the next, I want do not need or ordered wrong product size or quantity. I want this to be replaced, and I for this particular item, it is my mistake as a customer that I now don't need these two products. Okay, so now we will agree to the same. Here we are not adding any new address, so I'll show you that case as well. So let's confirm this return. So this return is confirmed, as we can see in the return orders, the return that we just submitted, RMA 0024. So here reason is also populated. Now let's go over here and let's refresh it. So the new return RMA is created over here. So let's open it. So as we open it, the new address is not added over there. So here it will not be populated, as we can see it over here. Now next is both of these things. So first is damaged or defective item. Here we will send them new products, that is this one. So new products and replacement product are added over here automatically, and for this one, do not need wrongly ordered product size or quantity. Now customer now don't need this two particular product because they have already mentioned the reason that they do not need it. Now we will see that whenever we have ordered this product, the restocking fee is applicable to the particular product and the customer, because restocking fee is something that will be deducted from the refund that we are going to provide to the customer, because we have added the restocking fee as 10 rupees. So let's again understand it properly. So here is the restock fee. Restocking fee is 10% of your order value or fixed amount. Whichever is lower will be applicable. So this is the condition that we set. You can change it as per your requirements. Currently, as you can see, 10 is the restocking fee as per the order. That is total of 100 rupees, and the restocking fee is 10%, so 10 rupee, and it is applicable. Shipping charge is 0. So whenever we have placed an order, the shipping was not applied to the particular order, so shipping is charging as 0. Otherwise, also shipping charge will be applicable over here for this particular product. Next is the threshold. So threshold is what I will explain you the same as well. So first of all, let's go to a particular product. We will go to the RMA, and here is the product type. So whenever we have selected any of the RMA product type over here and given the quantity over here, that is RMA product quantity as 5, or say suppose 2 quantities. So and after this, after creating this option over here, we have mentioned that your threshold is tick mark. In this case, what will happen is, so for this product, let's go over here and check the same. So when product quantity is mentioned as 2 over here, so if my return will be more than these two quantities, only then I will accept the return from the customers, or else I will not. If the product threshold is set correct, is set true in the RMA that we just created, which is this one, what will happen is, whenever the particular order will be added and particular RMA will be created, the system will go and check the product type and the threshold quantity as well. So if the quantity is more than 2, only then we will see that the product is to be returned or not. Otherwise, if the threshold quantity is mentioned as 2 and the return product is 1, so we will not accept the return. We will only say the customers that please keep the product with you, and we will not take the return of the same. Because what will happen is, whenever we send our courier partners to accept the return, our product value is very lower than the return than we just mentioned over here. So threshold management is something that internal staff can define. So the product level for the product level, so that the pick, no pickup is required for the particular product, so that the cost is higher than the product value. So return pickup cost is higher than the product value, so threshold will see into the backend and will not accept the product that way. So that is the main explanation for the threshold management, and this is very important on the company point of view, because this will save them a few bucks as well. So currently we will not correct this threshold over here. I will show you the same in next example that we will see. So now in this thing, we will see the restocking fees applied to the particular return that we just have added over here, and 10 rupees, as well as the replacement product is added over here. Now we will confirm this. Now on confirming the same, the replacement order is created for this 5 quantities, as you can see it over here. Now we will see that a credit note is created. Credit note is created. So in the credit note, as you can see, the 2 items that the customers do not need it is added over here, minus the restocking or the shipping fee will be applicable. So here restocking fee is minus, shipping fee we did not apply in our particular order, so it will not be seen over here, and it will be minus and we'll refund it. Now next is your pickings. So for pickings, as you can see, all of the products will be picked up. So in this case, if we have kept the threshold as 1, if in this case we have kept the threshold as say suppose 2, or maybe something like that, so this product will not be picked up by us. It is incoming pickings that the customers will return this product to the company, and it will be in the inward of your company. Now these 3 things are created, as you can see: inward pickings, credit note, and replacement order of the particular credit note we just created, and it is approved now. After that, you can go over here and check the same. It is approved, as you can see. Now next we will also create an order to see the threshold example. So let's open it, return a product. Here I want to return say 0. So first of all, let's go and add the threshold from the front end of the product, which will give you the clear idea. Say suppose we are into this particular product, acoustic lock screen. Maybe this will not be seen. Just open one more order, acoustic screen. We'll have to create a new return order for the same. So let's create one. Return the product, acoustic 1, here 2, here delay delivery, and for both of the case, here I do not want the replacement for this one, and I'm not adding any new address as well. Let's confirm this return. Now this return is created over here. Let's go to the RMA and check this. So this is the return we just created. Let's open it. So first of all, we will see the threshold option. So here for this cabinet with doors, let's go to the product in the RMA. In the product, that is RMA, we will here mention the product type as 1 and quantity as 3. So if my product in returns are more than 3, only then the return will be accepted. Let's save it. Now here we have on this option. Let's save it. Now we will see the further steps. So here we want a replacement. So replacement is added over here for the particular quantity, that is 1 quantity. And here with cabinet windows, threshold is mentioned as 3, and we have 2 quantities in return. So now we will see what will happen after we approve it. Let's approve it. Now as we see, the replacement order is created here. Next is the credit note is created. Credit note is created for the cabinet with doors where the threshold was 3. That's why we are not returning any of the products from the customer. We will just refund them. as 100 rupee of the product. We will not take any refund, because as I told you that your pickup cost is higher than the product value, so we will not go and collect the product. We will keep the product as it is with the customer and just uh, give them the refund of the same. So these are all the ways where you can just create your RMS, and the same will be approved, rejected, or say submitted. So we will see the rejected case as well. So what will happen is, if I am a customer and I will want to return a product, and for this one I'll select a reason as delay in delivery for the same, and let's confirm it. But now what will happen is, I have checked in with my delivery team that the product were delivered on time, so I will reject this return. I have all the proofs with myself, so I will reject it from here. In the reject reason, I will mention the reason that it was delivered on time, no refund will be issued by the company. So now we will reject the claim. So now it is rejected. Now let's go and check over here as well. So it is rejected, as you can see, because I saw with the delivery team, and I see there is no rejection, no delay in delivery. So we have done the rejection, and here the reject reason will also be applied over here, and it is saved over there. So you can reset it to draft and also change it whenever required. We will see that how emails are. So here, whenever we are sending any rejection email, or say approval, or say submitted, it will be seen over here as well. So as we open it, you can see that this is the body of your email, and this is the reason, because we have rejected the same for the customer, and it will be same. It will also mention the from and to email addresses and the timing as well. So this is how the emails will be seen when you send it to the customer. Currently in this version it will show you as failed, but otherwise in in your live version you will able to send your email like this. You can check whenever it is approved or submitted or anything as such for the particular order. You can check it like this. So let's go back and see for the approval as well. So for the approval, emails will be sent something like this. So this is how the emails will be seen like this over here. And this is all about your RMA management in Odoo. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. Also, you can write back to us at sales@vraja technologies.com and contact us on the same number. Thank you.